Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about community based activity, that is EPC08 post internship activity. As usual, preface, acknowledgement you have to write, index part, and this is introduction of community and meaning of community with the definitions. These are the characteristics, some other characteristics of a community. These are all information from internet. You can watch and write it. These are the objectives of a community, you can see, and types of community which are available in our country. And this is importance of community program. My topic is Swatch Bharat program in community. For that, what I did, I visited a village Holur at Srinaspur Taluk, Kolar district. This is the introduction part, and again meaning of Swachh Bharat, how it is established and all. These are all objectives of Swachh Bharat and how I organize this program in the community, how to organize and what and all essential things need to do Swachh Bharat program, how to visit village office and selection of place. These are all very important things. This is the importance of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and this is the format. We have to write the report format, how many days we are going to do this community based activity, and these are all information we have to collect and fill. After that we have to give report, submit, and with the permission of villagers or place. Thank you so much.